Hello.
Hi. I'm Julian with Rocket.
Yeah, this is Zuli and Rocket. And we have day 9 of Jollier January. And we are joined by Sam Hyder, Marnie Leonard, Melody Go, Selena Matthias, Stephanie Nunez, Alicia Fortes, Lene Blackwell, and Joanie Buck, or Joni Buck. And what are they going to win? Let's find out. Let's go. All right. What are our contestants winning today? They are winning a $15 splurge card.
Money, money, money.
Yeah.
Can I get the pink one?
Pink special treatment beads, green special treatment beads, and gold special treatment beads. Nice colors, huh?
They're yellow.
Lastly, a red rocket tube.
That's my name.
Yep.
That's his favorite. I think his favorite red.
Yeah. And he's wearing red underneath too.
Yeah.
He's wearing a Flash costume.
Yep.
Well, you're showing yellow, the yellow part.
There's a hole too.
There's a Hulk, yeah. Okay, while you're doing that,
You
I need to
can't
look
see
for
it.
the...
They can't see it.
Oh, can I have the special treatment beads? We need that, so we need to be careful. Okay, in the meantime, can you guys help me roll up these one at a time? Okay?
Yeah.
Here you go. And I'm going to get the jar. Second jar. Thank you. We got the jar in. Roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up, roll up. Oh, nice. Good one. That was quick, Zuli.
Yeah. I got quickly.
Yeah, you
Because
did.
you did the big spot.
Yeah.
Like, ooh, 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 ooh. Then it's done.
Yeah.
Just 4
It kind of comes out inside anyways, too. And do the last one? Okay. Oh, okay.
We're not done.
Yeah. While Kuya's rolling, why don't you pick one of the prizes, Zuli? Pick one. That one? Alright. Ooh, we got lots of winners today. Rocket. We are waiting. So much anticipation for this roll-up session by Rocket.
I tried to make it so it doesn't go inside out already.
Alright, since Zuli picked this $15 splurge card, Rocket, why don't you pick one of the winners? The first winner is...
Stephanie Nunes.
Yes, Stephanie Nunez. Congratulations! You win the $15 splurge card. Oops. Alright, let's pick the next prize. Rocket, please pick the next prize.
Pink because we're next to it.
Alright, who's gonna win the pink special treatment beads Julie, pick the winner, please.
I'll hold it.
Get one.
Alicia Fortress.
Fortes. Yay! Congratulations, Alicia Fortes. You win the special treatment beads that's colored pink. Congratulations!
Yeah. Ooh.
All right, just sit back down so we can choose the next prize.
Excuse me.
All right, Julie. Which one?
I want.
Rocket tube, the gold, or the green?
We like green.
Yeah, that's my favorite color too. Rocket, are you ready? Want to pick it? Oh, okay. So I'll pick the next winner. Go ahead. It is Lene Blackwell. Congratulations!
Yeah!
Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Can you do the hippie shake? Oh, stand up. Ready? Go. Hippie shake, hippie shake, hippie, hippie, hippie shake, hippie shake, hippie shake, hippie, hippie, hippie shake. Good one, Zuba. All right, what's the next prize?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay. Yellow. Who's gonna win the yellow? The gold crystals.
I want to pick Daddy.
Go pick one.
What's this? What's this?
Is this one name? All right.
Yeah.
It's
Special treatment.
good job, Zuli.
Hey.
Oops. Here, let me hold this one. And let me see the name so we can announce it. It's Selena Matthias.
Yeah!
Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Come back here so they can see you. You're too close. Dun, 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 dun. Congratulations! Oh, are we on our last prize, Zuli?
Yeah. Where to?
Clea's rocket tube. Who's gonna win it? Who's gonna win it?
I don't pick Daddy. I want
You want me to pick it?
you.
You're gonna pick it? Okay.
I want to choose.
Yeah, who is it? Alright. Rocket is back and Melody Go won the red rocket tube. Yay! Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Come back here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right. And see you guys again tomorrow for day 10.